This is a 1994 Honda XR 100. Perfect machine to get your kids. It's about the smallest dirt bike you can get. That's not a race bike, with a clutch, 5 gears, kickstart. Usually fires up pretty easily. Granted, it's 20 degrees out here, and who knows, it's been a little while since it's been started. Seriously, first kick, she fires up in 20-degree weather. That's cool. First kick, she fired right up. Awesome. Go ahead, I'll follow you. How many people rip a dirt bike in the snow? Choke on, that's why she's running weird. There we go. Oh, you gonna turn around? Go ahead. Me, no problem. What a great kid's bike. I mean, you can really push on it and beat on it. Everybody has a great time on this thing. You put good tires, it'll go anywhere. I mean, even in the snow. Come on, Giggles! Alright, okay. Man, Hondas, you can't beat these things. Well, you can beat them into submission. Oh, around the inside on a dirt bike in the snow. Woo! Blew the turn. And she passes me again. Only so much grip. Woo! Try this again. Now these are just regular tires. We don't have studs or anything. Again. Come on. Oh, she blew that turn. I made it. She didn't. I'll keep going. Woo! Flying on our little Honda 100 in the snow. That's awesome. I tell you, if you ever want to get your kids a great bike, this is it right here. Dirt bikes are gonna rip in the snow like this thing. Like you own it. Woohoo! Whoa! Sideways drifting everywhere. That's awesome, man. Flat out right there. That's flying probably 50 miles an hour in the snow. And we'll skid it to a stop. Alright. And just like that, she idles. She's come to a stop. Perfect machine. Get one of those. Heck, get yourself one of those. If you can, check out our other videos. Awesome tour on that camper. That is our 2018 Jayco T32G. But again, back to this little beast. What more do you want? For a kid's dirt bike with a clutch. Hauled me around 175 pounds, no problem. Out here doing a little winter camping. Have our bonfire, kind of a unique bonfire we have here. It's working. Okay, and just like that, leaving our magic spot. I guess I'm engaged now. That's how that goes. Let's go see how the fiance is doing, riding. Ha ha!
Oh my God!
Come on, fiance! Oh, you can't be all tears. No crying in three-wheelers.
He's just as amazing off camera as he is on camera.
You see that? What a guy. Like that. Into the turns. Ooh, wait, horse. Can't even tell we were in here before. Back up again. It's a good spot. A lot of fun in this turn. It's off camber, down on the low side. Nothing better. So much fun. Yes, Giggles? Woo! Almost rolled it. Still almost rolling it. Should we hit the ice? Go ahead, I'll follow you. Making memories right here. talk about it and, you know, chill out at the same time. Three-wheelers. Is there anything better than a three-wheeler? No. Let's see what she can do here. Floor it. Second, you're in first.
Oh, right, yeah.
That's why.
Yeah.
You need proper wheel spin or you're not going to be able to, you know, get this going. Oh, she's stuck now. Are you stuck?
Really?
Yep. Smell something burning. Must be my pant leg. You gotta be careful riding three-wheelers. You will melt your snow pants. Hot exhaust right there. Oh yeah, there it is. I can see the melted plastic. Clearly not the first time I've melted these pants. Getting close. The heck? Might be running out of gas. Have to check. That's so cool. I'm out of gas.
Oh no, babe.
I know, I gotta make it back up at least.
Okay. Alright.
So. Back to the camper, that's all. Christy, let's go, come on! There we go. 40 miles an hour, drifting through snow and field. Woohoo! It's awesome. Flat out. And we're out of gas, just died. Made it right to here. Well, I guess that's perfect. We'll take it. Here she comes. Newly engaged woman right there. Huh, I wonder if this thing's gonna rip. Maybe we'll take out this little dirt bike quick while it's not too much snow here and while it may work. So this is a 1994 Honda. Out of gas, that's for sure. We gotta put some gas in it. and kill it.
Okay.
Hot button.